This is a shout out for the channel OhioRiverBobby. And if you haven't seen Bobby in a while, he's lost a lot of weight. Oh no, just kidding. He's doing very well and starting this new channel. And this is what Bobby has to say about his channel. I'm just a simple old country boy that fell in this YouTube platform, and I'm just here to have some fun and hope you all can stop on in to watch some helpful and sometimes funny videos and live streams. He will also have wonderful outdoor cooking videos with delicious tips and tricks. He will also show you around his hometown and show you all the scenic sights. And some fishing videos. He's also a supporter of small YouTubers and helped out the channel Green Wizard in promoting his book. He helped out my channel as well to help me get the required watch hours needed to be monetized in under a year. So go check out OhioRiverBobby. If you like what you see, hit that big red subscribe button and ring the notification bell.